This is our NLF-200D CPAP system, and we also call it the continuous positive airway pressure system. So for this machine, it's mainly used for the babies, which is premature and with some weak lung function, and also for helping the raising the oxygen and air mixed gas, and also for the CPAP uptake. So as you can see, this machine, we also call it the bubble CPAP, because actually here we are using the water generator. And here you can see for this model we have several parts. First, here is the main engine, and then with the humidifier, this basket, and also the total trolley. And on the trolley we have two brakes on the first two wheels. So here, first on the main engine, we can see this model we don't need to use the battery or use the AC power. It's a mechanical ventilator. So here, as you can see, it's very simple. Here is the pressure meter for monitoring the pressure, and here is for adjusting the oxygen concentration. It will be from 21% to 100%. And here is the flow meter. From the flow meter, here we can first for adjusting and also monitoring here. This is for testing the flow. So we know for the CPAP system there are three main parameters, only the three. That is the oxygen concentration, pressure, and also the flow. So all can be monitored on this main engine. So here, as you can see, this is humidifier. For the humidifier, actually we have three types. Here we are using the one which is basic one. As you can see, we can adjust for the temperature like this to rotate this button. And here we have different levels. And usually we need to check on the thermometer. If the temperature is around 35 to 37 degrees, then we can stop it for the adjusting. And it consists of two parts. First is the water trap, and then is the basement. So the basement is for wetting and heating the gas. And here the water trap, we can drop the water inside, so it can wetting and heating the mixed gas for the baby to breathe in much more comfortable. For the pipeline here, we are using totally 5 pipelines, and three short ones and 2 long ones. And for this pipeline, we are using the reusable one, and it's made of the silicone, can be cleaned under 134 degrees. Here, between the 2 pipes, we are using a water trap. This water trap is for loading the water inside, because we know for the humidifier it can generate the heat and the wet in the gas. So here there will be some water inside of the water trap, so the water will not get into the baby's mouth or the nose. And here this line is very important. This line, we can see one side we connect with the inspiration port, and another side is here on the back side of the main engine. So this pipeline is for using to monitoring the pressure. It's very important. You must connect it, or there will be the gas leakage. Here we are using a litho plug to contact with 2 long pipeline, and on the front here is for a litho plug. So we can take on the baby's nose and with the head to make it very tight for the babies to breathe much more comfortable. For the principle of this machine, as we call it the bubble CPAP, so here this part is very important. This one is for the adjusting the pressure, and we are using here is like a water column. Inside you can put the water in, and here you can see there is a line. The water will not be above this line, and when the water in, then here with this white item, we can adjusting the pressure. And you can see here is from 1 to 10. So the pressure range will be from 1 to 10. And here with the white item, we can set it from 1 to 10 centimeters. So for this machine, there's only part which needed AC power is for the humidifier. You can connect the humidifier with the AC power, then we can use the humidifier. So usually if there is no any AC power, so you can still use the machine because it's a mechanical ventilator. Even the humidifier, if you stop it, it won't influence the use of the machine itself. So this is the basic function of this machine.